Hello students, welcome to yet another video. Right now it is the 6th period right after lunch and I need not go to the class for this period. So let us create one lesson video on loops. So let's start the lesson right now here in this place. Beautiful one, right? Loop lashaying achalo. We have time loop or simple loop, then we have for loop, then we have until loop, loop lashai. Loop gi nanale tato class 4, 5, 6 na jotu bigi, 7 na jotu, 8 na jotu, loop ki lo joti gati jotu. Loop gadi lalan thap nimo for loop. Say for example, for B in branches. See, so many branches are there and these branches are represented by B. For B in branches say. Now B is iteration. Iteration simply one complete loop gi loju chingila. Gara ge representation and gara represent bionla B gi. For B in branches saudalu. B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and gara domdalu B. Tengagi kesha tamdadi chegi B, which is the representation of branch 1, branch 2, branch 3 all. B थोड़े से चिपची तोदा सेवाचिन हमारा B0 देता हूँ तो one round complete चपची loop for B in branches lamidani. So B is the iteration or representation, or it is also known as the variable name group imbala B. Dale rere jinduludi index B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and the end will be, let's say, B10. B10 ye bachin branches kamchi yamo chuchi. Why chuchi? Because branch number 1 is represented by B0. Arrays and indices nalo anevere insa sunil. Coffee scripts. Coffee script is a script used by coders in CodeMonkey Adventure. So today we will be looking at for loops. What is for loop? In the first place, what is loop? Loop is repeating an action, same action again and again, repeating the action again and again. Say for example, I have a scissor, I cut the tip of this one, tip of that one, tip of that one, this one and complete the whole cutting. That is one loop. And if I reproduce that same one to other plant, same steps, start here and complete here, same step. So in this for loop, I am going to discuss the terms like array, indices, array and indices. See here, I have a leaf in CoffeeScript coding adventure. There you have the bananas. I have the scissors. There in the actual coding platform, you have the monkey. So in that example, in that course, monkey eats bananas. Here, in this example, the scissors cuts the tip of all the leaves. So, when I use for loop, scissors dot lalantha bola. Monkey dot, remember this time the scissors dot, say scissors full stop. Keep that in mind. Now let's go to for loop. The leaves. Leaves is a collective name of individual leaf. Leaf rere gar dulen bedigi be chikhat subachin leaves selap me. The ani leaves di ngache coding ke theka have dalu. When we use for loop lalan thap dalu for L in leaves for L, letter L in leaves. L di and leaves garagi representative ila representative. The for loops nalu for L in leaves setangola. For L in leaves taimosla. Remember for L in leaves. L in leaves and leaves gara L give lalin thabdola. L give godin thabdo. L give. The and scissors the for L in leaves, scissors dot go to L labachin ani scissor the L besa jongla go to L, one of the L's, one of the leaves na jongla. The one of the leaves so the gati khate jogo mani the first ani top the gatile gochuni mo ani that comes under index, indices. Ani leaves gara rearrange into array la ani array of leaves array ani descendulu the array the rearrange into jankha rearray la and index ki theka hebdalu jankha di zero le gochuna zero le. The first index is 0. So the scissor starts with 0, the index 0. Ani the 0 imbe, ani 1 imbe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 indices 0 le go to 13 keila. Jankha de 13. 13 ke the leaves come chi omonla. Leaves definitely there will be 14 leaves because ang dang badi 0 imatala 0. So indices or index starts with 0. Remember that one also. So the coding instruction perform bedo mela daban coding nalu. For L in leaves, go to scissors dot go to L. L tango melan go to L, not go to leaves. Go to L. Go besaila. Dele scissors dot cut L serutubla or achize chuta thenbe cut L setanila cut L. Cut L so the gadi to digi leaf number 0, index number 0 imidila first number. So it will cut like this. How is the coding? For L in leaves, gara togo batela. Leaves gara togo la. L di gara gi kuchap in la, gara gi kuchap. L di gara gi kuchap. We call iteration in loop. L di gara gi kuchap. Dele L0 di dangba. L1 di niba. L3 is the third. Anism jongla. They were the first start with L0. So how to do? For L in leaves, scissors dot go to L. Go anahichi la anahichi. Scissors dot cut L. Scissors dot cut L. Same for L in banana gara to go be me daben dang batosai that ni batosani ngagi ani gachi toto because this is very sharp, very dangerous for children. Ani bendigi todola. Scissors dot ani shendi L 0 1 2 3 4 L4. Re to bachin L5 L6 L7 L8 L9 L10 anajudui. So that one round of cutting is the loop. One round of cutting is the loop. Another loop nalu, same process. Start with 0 and end with 10 nalu end beachin. That is yet another loop. So 4 loop the anavel 4 loop. So if there are 10 leaves, index ki theka hebdalu 0 le gochubdalu 9 sinse chamchi digola 9 sinse. Otherwise, if I have to write like this, without using for loop, if I have to, write a code to cut this, it would be very long. It will be very long. Example, anichi to ni denle scissors dot go to leaf 0. Scissors dot cut leaf 0. Beuta chamchi chak down. Dora ani to ni denle you have to repeat the same thing. Scissors dot go to leaf 1. Dele scissors dot cut leaf 1 setangola. So here almost 3 codes are there for each 3 lines of code for each leaf. Hani ma bani denle joba ga thembo chiku to ni denle we use loop. Anadi for loop use by chilu lamigi lojugi gara tubbe. That is loop in coding. So this is Balbadur Paudel giving you the concept of loop, array and index. Array and index, and also I gave you how to write the codes, for loop codes using the array of leaves and indices from 0 to 10. Thank you so much.